guys, it's April. The Joy Cutaway cards are here. They're here. They came out, I think, last night. And I wanted to show you guys how to use these. If you haven't seen them yet, hop on over to the store. There's a link down below. And grab a couple of these card packs. I think you're going to love them. So easy to use. Your other card sets, you have inserts, but with these you have backers, and I'm going to be mixing and matching my sets because I really like the backer out of this. I like both of them, really. Let me give you a good close-up look. Look how pretty that is. Love. Anyway, I'm going to start with your backer because you're going to be cutting this, and then you're going to also be, I'm going to put that one there. You're also going to be writing on the inside because we can do that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at my backer so I know basically where to line it up. And you can see that here that you're going to have just a little bit of overhang from your adhesive, not a lot. So you just want to kind of figure out where that's going to go as far as your height, so it looks good. Then we're just going to come in here, and this is the way that I like to do it, and you may find an easier way to work with yours. I'm just going to peel back some release liner here and just kind of fold it back just a little bit, okay? And then with my pretty side down, I'm going to bring that in, and I'm just going to line that up straight and give it a press down. Then I'm just going to gently lift it and come in here and pull my release liner down. Just going to hook it just so I can get it there. And I'm just going to pull that back. That way it helps me keep that as straight as possible. Okay, so there's the first one. I'm just going to do the same image on both of mine. So I'm just going to show you that again. And this is the way it looks inside once you've got it in there. Just going to pull this release liner back a little bit. And I'm just going to stick it back. And again, pretty side down. And line that up as straight as I can get it. Give that a press. And then we're going to pull back that liner and press that down. And we're good to go. I think I'll start with this one. And I have my Joy pen here. Going to pull off my protective sheet from my card mat. And I am going to pop over and we're going to show you the layout before I go any further. I made a boo-boo on the first one, so I'm having to record again. So first of all, we're going to prepare our card. And I'm going to pop over to Designspace, I promise, and show you guys. So you want to fold the backer to the back first. And you're going to put that on your card mat. Okay? And we're going to push that down because it's going to do its writing first. So let's take a look at what I have in Designspace. I have my little rabbit and I have Happy Easter. And I've got my Joy selected and hit Make It. And then I'm selecting my card mat for pre-folded cards. And I have my Happy Easter here on a card mat, and I am selecting 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now on my first one, I didn't think about it, and I forgot to go to my mat 2 and change that, so it didn't cut quite center. So make sure that you're selecting both of your mats or all of your mats, and making sure that you have selected the correct size for both of those. And then hit continue. Alright, and once we're over here, it's going to connect to my Joy here. And I've already selected mine and saved it as a favorite, but you can browse on materials. Right here, you've got your cutaway card and backer. Okay, this is different from your cards with inserts, so make sure you are selecting this one. And then you're going to, once you have that selected, we're going to choose that. We're going to use default pressure, don't need anything there, and I'm going to remember my material settings. And now it wants me to place my mat in, so we're going to go over, oops, I'm on the wrong one. I want to go, there we go. Want that one. I want my pen first. So there we go, default, remember my material settings, and I'm going to pop over and we're going to load our mat. And we're just going to place that right into the Joy. And now it's on the screen saying your Joy is making sure that the mat is aligned. And now I'm going to click my go button right here. And first you want to make sure that pen is in there. I'm a little off kilter here. There we go. I'm glad I had a couple of seconds to load that pen in there. Make sure you put your pen in before you hit that go. If you do not own a Joy, guys, this little machine is powerful for quick cards, quick vinyl, quick iron-on. You can't beat it. And it's portable. You can just throw it in its bag, its carry bag, and take it right along with you. I'm just going to drop that back in there so I don't forget. And now on screen it's asking me to unload the mat or rerun. And I'm going to unload. I don't need to rerun it. And then we're going to take it off the mat and adjust it. So now we're going to pull this up gently. And we're going to fold it the correct way. Make sure that it's upright. And place it back onto the card mat with the backer portion on top. And you saw me put those backers on. And then we're going to again load that. And you can see that it's making sure that my mat's aligned. I can pause it if I need to, which I don't. And I'm just going to hit go. There we go. And go back over to the Joy. And it's going to start its cutting. Super easy, super fun, super quick, and this opens up a whole new level of crafting with your Joy cards. Select many, many, many images. All you have to do is select your image. How cool is that? And now we're going to click unload on the screen again. And we're going to remove our card from the card mat. I'm going to put my protective cover back on. And then we're simply going to weed this away. Now you can do this gently and save it and stick it to something, or you can just pull that right off. And I am going to be leaving the bunny tail in there. Being careful not to damage my foil underneath. And just peel that back. Left a little piece in there. Just like weeding vinyl. How stinking cute are these? Love, love, love. Guys, go and grab your Joy card inserts with backers. Gold matte crystal. That's what this one is. The gold matte crystal, and it comes with the teal, the pink, and the fuchsia. And then this one is the gold holographic. Love, love, love. And it comes with your cream, khaki, and gray. Love those. So go check them out. Grab yourself a Joy if you don't have one. Lots of fun for cutting. Catch you on the next video. Happy craft.